Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Cyberpunk 2077 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game difficulty level while you are playing this game. So let's get started right away. Now, while you are playing the Cyberpunk 2077 game, if you feel that the level of difficulty is not suited for you, then you can make the change at any point of time. Just pause the game by pressing the escape button and then go into settings. Inside the settings page, navigate to the gameplay tab at the top section, and here you will find the in-game difficulty level. Your current difficulty is selected. If you wish to increase the difficulty, you can scroll towards the right, and there you can find the hard and the very hard difficulty levels. If you move to the left, you will find the normal and easy option. Choose your desired difficulty level and click on the apply option to apply your changes. You will get a notification letting you know that the last checkpoint will be loaded. Tap on the confirm button, and you can now continue to play the game from the last checkpoint with your chosen difficulty. You can make the change at any point of time if you change your mind by once again pausing, going into the gameplay settings, and choosing your desired difficulty level. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game difficulty on the Cyberpunk 2077 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.